Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to edit HTML file in cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on this website where I found a guide that explains everything about how to edit HTML code in cPanel. Edit HTML code in cPanel. Step 1. Log into your cPanel. Then go to the file manager in the files section. As you can see guys right here in the picture. After that, navigate to the HTML page you want to edit. And then right click the file and choose the HTML edit option. You can also select the file and click the HTML editor link on top. So as you can see guys right here in the picture, once you right click, you will find HTML edits right here. Now you should see the HTML editor interface. You can make changes to the page using the visual editor and top toolbar. You can also click the source button and add code or change code in your file. If you see a pop-up message, read the warning, then click the edit button. As you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find the edit button and then the step 8. When you are done making the changes, you can click save on the top left, as you can see guys right here. As you can see guys, this is some of the HTML editor features. So there is the text editor, the paste tools, find and replace tools, element buttons, text and signing tools, link and anchor buttons, media special character buttons, and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.